Xander, I'm shifting over. What's up in the Wagyu land?
Well, as I showed you guys just recently, that it's leaking there.
Yep.
That drain plug I'm not gonna have any luck with, so I'm just gonna drop it.
Oof, okay. Be careful.
Yeah, I know.
I'd say use the torch, but it's gas. Not the best idea.
No. The filler actually, how do you get to that?
Oh, we'll get in there.
Yeah.
All right.
That's a great place to put a gas tank.
I know, right?
Right? You get hit in the left rear quarter.
There's gas everywhere.
The International Scouts, right behind the front seats, there's a tank on each side of the fender in the same location. They all rust out. All of them.
Cute.
Even if it's a desert car, the gas tank.
Remember my
is
72 F-250 was behind the seat?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fun. All right, moving on. Hi, whore.
Hello. So I pulled the little panel that was covering it.
You mean the panel that...
Well,
The bracket was
this holds in
rusted
by
off.
2 bolts, but...
Oh, there's only one bolt holding it, so... Yeah, that's bad.
Well, no, there was a top one and the side one.
All right, so we need to fix that.
Yeah.
Whatever.
We'll have a welder up. Anyways, I pulled the connector, no issue there. And I undid the hose clamp for no reason, apparently. So I went to go pull it off and it literally just ripped right off, so...
Cute.
I'll have to chase that and probably replace that whole thing.
Oh, yeah, do that again. That was fun. It's like a Slim Jim. Snap into a Slim Jim! Oh, yeah.
Yeah, rubber hose isn't supposed to just, like, you know, break.
Yeah, that's bad. Well, that's good anyway. It needs to be replaced anyway. We need to clean the line.
Yeah, for sure.
But like Xander was saying, this tank is leaking, and it seems to get worse as it sits here. So, all right, let's get the tank out, I guess, and away we go. And then that can go somewhere and get repaired, because nobody makes that, I don't believe. And if they do... Hey, Scotty, come look at how bad this tank is.
If they do, I'd recommend that. Want to see the rubber hose?
Yeah.
Look.
The rubber hose acts like a Slim Jim, bro.
Look.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, how bad is that?
Is that?
Is it rotted out?
The rubber hose just kind of, you know, snaps.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. And then there's a leak down here at the bottom.
There's only that one leak.
One leak.
Well, one leak is one leak too many.
No, I know. I'm just saying
Yeah.
all the other wet spots are not leaks. But yeah, we already pointed all that out.
Does your lady leave a wet spot when she leaks after your... Never mind.
Dude, this is a giant. That's just like a swimming pool.
Oh, Jesus.
You,
All right.
you have. Or you
Yeah, no,
started
exactly. If you don't want the answer, don't ask the question.
Okay.
it. Yeah.
Wow.
Why are you molesting my beard? Anyway. All right.
What made you catch that?
What?
I rolled by and I saw that wet spot.
I'd never.
I was rolling
How
in
many
my
times
ear
have we had this
to
thing
continue
going?
on the exhaust, and I said, wait a minute, and I touched it and smelled it, and it was for sure gas.
How old is the gas?
It's nasty, obviously.
Oh God.
But so there's that.
Oh yeah, it is. I just got a whiff.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nasty.
I
Yeah.
had the cap off too, so.
All right, so Xander, you gonna get this out?
Yeah.
Hit it, big boy.
Hopefully this works.
God, you're loud.
I'd be careful. There's still gas in that, isn't there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not much.
Yeah, that's fucking light.
There you go.
Oh, this actually has a drain plug on it.
Yeah, that's rusted in. Well, that's
That is a
disgusting.
trapezoidal tank.
I don't even know if there's gas. That might be maybe. Oh, I get it now. Yeah. A little bit, a teeny bit.
This tank's in better shape than I thought it'd be.
Yeah, it's actually not bad minus that little leak on the bottom.
It's pretty rusted here.
You see? Holy moly. Alright, so that's out. Alright, Mr. Xander. We will address this further.